Hi guys, today I want to show how to use the arrays on Python. So, for example, to create an array, we need to write, for example, fruits. Here it has, for example, an apple or kiwi or pear, for example. And this is an array with three elements. How to get, for example, the first element? So need to write, for example, the x is equal the in the fruit the first element. So the index is start from 0, and if print this, so this is the apple. So it is to get the first element. How to change, for example, the first element? So the fruit in the 0 index, we will, for example, the mango, and if you print this, so this is the first element. For how to get this array length, so print length and this fruits, yeah, and this is 3, so it has a 3 element. For example, to add a new element, for example, to the next, so create dot append, for example, the apple, and if you print this, and here will be how to remove, for example, this apple. So create dot remove, and for example the apple, and if you print, this is, so here is to get, for example, the first element. Here is to change an element in the array. Here to get this array length. Here we need here to add a new element, and here to remove. So thank you for watching. See you later.